Hey, 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 this is your sacred scribe here, ready to do a reading for Nature Speaks 333. I am here with Teddy Bear. This is my Teddy. I finally got him after vacation. Say hi, Ted. And this is Logi. Logi? Wait a minute, I gotta see if it's Logi or Logi? Logi. So this is the tree I will be channeling today. We're gonna see what Logi has to say. Okay, give me one moment. I just gotta put down. Okay, one moment while I connect, please. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and visit my other channel, Your Sacred Scribe Tarot. And if you want a reading, Etsy shop is in the description box below. Give me one moment. Hello. You have a message. Yes. What is your message, please? Alleviate your troubles by propagating the natural aspects of yourself. Natural aspects such as breathing, such as moving, feeling. Think of anything to do with your senses. And this is what we wish for you to propagate, to alleviate any worries, any problems, anything going on within your sphere that you wish to shift. A latency is formed within the dynamic of your soul. That will continue to grow this dis-ease, this disheartened state, if it is not shifted. As you think or compare this to a cancerous tumor, say, energy works in the same way. If left unattended, it will grow, sometimes out of control. So we wish for you to seek this control of your bodily functions, of your energy, positive, negative, all forms that lay within your soul and your presence. On a daily basis, take note of this. Take note of your soul's presence, of your energy. Read yourself, read your energy, and decide what it is that you wish to do with this in the now moment. This is your strength. This is your power. but awareness must be had more often of this power that lies within you. For this power is only the beginning. Is that it? Okay. Well, thank you so much, Logi. Short but sweet. Thank you. Ted, you want to say goodbye to the people? Say goodbye to the people. This is Teddy signing off for Nature Speaks 333. And as always, stay within your heart and connect with love. Namaste.